In 2008 and 2009, about 35 people working for France Telecom killed themselves, or tried to. The international community was shocked. It was said that change in the company and high work pressure were causing too much stress. Many people were relocated to other offices against their will, and some were threatened with losing their jobs because of these reorganizations. France Telecom stopped the reorganizations and tried to find ways to stop these suicides. In August and September 2010, 5 more people committed suicide. In companies, schools, or other workplaces, people want to be treated with respect, not only by their colleagues or fellow students, but also by the management. When respect is not given, and this situation carries on for a long time, people can become stressed and depressed. These employees of France Telecom saw no other solution than to kill themselves. What a sad story. Another form of not showing respect is bullying. It does not only take place in schools, but also in companies. Even some adults seem to bully their colleagues. This can take different forms. Sometimes people are physically abused, including being beaten or kicked. But this can also be done with words, humiliating people or calling them names, for instance. These forms of bullying hurt just as much. People who are bullied often become depressed and stop going to work or school just to avoid meeting the bullies. If you feel you are being bullied, you can contact the confidential counsellor at your school or company.